AI and jobs, a glimpse into the future. AI, or artificial intelligence, is transforming the world as we know it. It's changing the way we live, work, and interact. And with these advancements, comes a significant impact on jobs. The good, AI has the potential to create new jobs that we can't even imagine today. It will automate repetitive tasks, allowing us to focus on more creative and meaningful work. It could unlock new opportunities in healthcare, finance, and education, making our lives better. The bad, however, AI also poses a threat to certain job sectors. Some routine jobs, such as manufacturing or data entry, may become obsolete. Machines will replace humans in tasks that can be easily automated, leading to job displacement and a need for new skills. The ugly, the impact of AI on jobs could result in income inequality, with only a few benefiting from AI-driven advancements. It may magnify the wealth gap and lead to social unrest, unless governments and organizations take proactive measures to address this challenge. So, what can we do as individuals to future-proof our careers? We need to embrace lifelong learning and adaptability. We must acquire new skills and stay ahead of the evolving job market. By understanding AI and how it will change the workforce, we can position ourselves for success. In conclusion, AI will reshape jobs, offering exciting possibilities and posing challenges. It's up to us to navigate this ever-changing landscape and shape a future where humans and AI work hand in hand. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content.